We're installing a wood veneer sunburst mural. Yes, that's wood. Now, the tricky part of this installation is that this is 11 feet long. There are no connections here, except 3/4 of the way down. As I do this video, at this point, I would like you to think how you would make sure that sheet number 2 is installed next to sheet number 1 and this connection is made. Would you start putting sheet number 2 on the wall from the top? Or the bottom? Or right there? So one of the first things we're going to do is to moisten the back of this to allow for this backing to expand so we don't get buckling on the wall after we put it up. In order to prevent puddles of water, we just wipe the water against the backing. I rolled a low moisture, quick setting wallpaper paste on the wall. The reason is you don't want a high moisture paste bleeding through the veneer of the wood. My middle is right about here. And if you look close, the edge is wet. I need to be able to move this sheet a little bit like this and that to get it into the straight position. Not so on the second sheet. On the second sheet, the edge is going to be very low moisture because the first sheet has already been put into place, taking advantage of the wetness so I can slide it. But this one, if I slide it, I'm going to get paste from this side onto this. Can't take that chance. There's my center point. My edge has to go right on that. What I'm doing here is moving the panel onto the laser. If I fall short of that laser line, the second panel is not going to be straight and butted up against this one properly. What I'm doing here is crucial. You see the center of the sunburst right in my left hand, right above the outlet to my left in this video, right there. If I did not start at that point, my mural is off. And this paste is very tacky. A couple of things. Number one, you can't get it on the front of the veneer. Number two, it's very tacky. You can't slide this panel to the left to bring it closer to the first sheet. Number three, if you do slide it and make it extra wet, you're going to risk getting it onto the front of the first panel. I'll just narrate this a little bit and then we'll fast forward through the process. So what I'm doing is making sure that panel number 2 is square. You see, the bulk of the work, getting this done right, is making this sheet that I'm handling right now just butted up against the first one. It can't be slightly over, and it certainly can't be short. It has to be right against sheet number 1. Okay? Now, somebody might be thinking, Why didn't he have a helper? Helpers you wind up helping helpers, and sometimes helpers do not help, and they're a liability, especially in a place like the one I'm installing this wood veneer mural in. Okay, so again, I'm just making sure. What I'm doing is I'm biding my time with this. Here's why. You know, when you set it against panel number 1, it begins to relax. And guess what happens? It pulls away up to and including 1/8 of an inch. That's too much. And then you know it's tacky. You can't slide it back because we didn't put this paste on in excess. We put it on sparingly and we let it tack up. And so I have to be there anticipating that it might slide away or kind of atrophy from the seam number 1. So anyway, I think I'll fast forward. This is the main consideration. You don't want to ooze the paste out from underneath sheet number 2. So again, just the palm of your hand, a little damp so you get some traction against this panel so you can move it. And then you might see me in this frame of the video doing karate chops. I wet my hand a bit and then I slam my hand against the wall, just trying to get maybe 1/8 of an inch for it to move over to panel number 1. And that's the gist of it, okay? If you can do it like this, you're successful. If not, if you put a lot of torque on this panel, you're going to have a lot of buckles in it. This is a wood veneer 2-panel mural that's called Sunburst. If you want to see the longer video for how I installed this, please check it out. There's some good instructions on the longer video that will help you if you are faced with the challenge of having to install something like this. And I will post the longer video on my YouTube channel, and it'll be called something like Sunburst Wood Veneer Mural.